Ask yourself, what do I want to accomplish in my personal life, my career, my business, my relationships? Why is it important for me to achieve these goals? Goal setting is a dare. How badly do you want what you want out of life? Goal setting helps you to stay focused, to meet your deadlines, and feel the excitement of getting closer to having your desires met. Choose goals wisely. When you set goals, you position yourself to identify previously overlooked opportunities or resources that can bring you closer to achievement of the life you desire. To succeed at goal accomplishment, be relentless, be patient, and believe in yourself. When you miss the deadline, because sometimes you will, follow the author's 3 R's in the ebook 5 Steps to Create the Life You Desire. Review, reset, and restart. #Goal setting works.